Nandito kami sa park. And look, Ashley. Umaakyat na siya. Umaakyat siya dito sa slide. Careful, anak. Ang kulit na niya, guys. Ayaw na niyang paawat. Go. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Ang likot na niya, guys. Careful, nak. You hold properly, please. My sexy lady. Hi, you sexy lady. Wow. Ang pa-outfit ni madam. Ang pa-outfit ni madam. May pa-off shoulder si madam. Yeah. Say hi, guys. No, no, no. You don't go down. Stay here. Ang likot niya, guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Likot niya. Hindi niya alam kung anong lilikutin niya. Oh, ang likot. Hindi niya alam kung anong lilikutin niya. Hoy, be careful, please. Come here. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Look at me. I'm so likot na. Likot-likot na. Oh. Madam. Likot mo, madam. Madam, ang likot mo, madam. Hi, guys. Say wave, wave, wave. Hi, guys. We are at the park. Yeah. What you doing? What's that? Look, ang shoes ng aming madam. So pretty. Thank you sa nagbigay. Thank you po sa inyo. I'm using it now. It's perfect. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng medyas kasi mainit. Pero it's really good kasi malambot yung loob niya. Is it right, Ashley? What you doing now? Ashley, can you wave? Say hi, guys. Hi. Oh, you look. Yeah, you look at the camera when you're waving. Come on. Likot mo, madam. Yeah, I know. But you can't reach that yet. Yeah? Oh, what's that now? Look what you've got. May lumalawit sa iyong ano. Okay, madam. Hop. What you doing, madam? Madam. Ashley. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, what's the doctor said? No more monkey jumping on the bed. Very good. Yeah, how about? Very good. You clap your hands. Yay! How about head, shoulder, knees and toes? Knees and toes. Yeah? You can't reach your toes now. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes. Show your eyes. Ears. Show your... Okay. Ears, mouth. I can't see. Mouth. Katalikod kasi siya. What? Hey, madam. You're gonna fall down if you don't hold properly. Oh, don't put your mouth there, please. Did you see a bird there? Wave to the bird. Wave. Hi, bird. Say, hi, bird. What you doing? Yeah? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Yeah. Over there? What's the sound of the bird? What's the sound of a cow? Is it? What's the sound of a cat? How about the dog, Ashley? The dog. The dog now. Wow, very good. Very good, Ashley. Very good, love. Uy. If you happy and you know, you clap your hands. If you happy and you know, you clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hey, if you happy and you know you clap your hands. Oi, you can't clap your hands because you're holding in there, are you? Okay, if you happy and you know you stamp your feet. Your feet. Good girl. If you happy and you know and you really want to show. If you happy and you know you stamp your feet. Your feet. Good girl. It's such a beautiful girl, are you? What? What did you see over there? It's a bird. Yeah, that's a bird. Yeah? Yeah. Do you want to see the bird? We're going down? Okay, we're going down, guys. Hi, guys. So, bath time na ni Ashley after a long day. Okay. You want to call? Call. Who you wanted to call? Okay, Dad. You want to call Dad? Call Dad. Hello? What do you want to say? What? Tell what did you do today? Come on. Hello? Ah, yes. Really? What did you say? Did you say you went to the park? Did you say you went to the park? Say, Dad. Say to Daddy. Come on, hold it. Say to Daddy. Dad. Say, I went to the park, Dad. Yeah. And what did you do? Did you went to the slide? Tell to Daddy. Say, hello, Dad. Yeah. Say, I went to the park and I did slide. Go. Say, Dada. How are you, Dad? Say, how are you, Dad? Kring, kring, kring. Hello? Hello? Kring. Kring, kring, kring. Hello? Dad? How are you? How are you? What color is that? Blue. Oh, yeah. Alright. What? What language are you talking about? Okay, hello? Hello? You want to talk to Ate Tess? Hello, Ate Tess? Hello, Ate Tess? How are you? Oh my goodness. What language is that, my love? Okay, Mom is gonna give you a bath now. It's hot day today. Yeah, you have a big day. What are you eating? What color is that? Orange. That's an orange toy. That's... How about that one? What color is that one? Blue. That's green. And this is blue. Yay. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell out and bump his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, what the doctor said? No more. Like this. No more monkey. Oi, what are you doing? Not that. How about head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes, and ears? Where's your ears, Nak? Ah, you're not listening to Mommy. Are you alright? I'm gonna give you a bath now. See you later. Hello, my love. What are you eating? Where are we? We are again at the park. Yes. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Bali, mag 8 o'clock na dito, guys. 7:45, pero mataas pa rin yung araw. And sobrang init ng panahon today. So, after ni Ashley mag-shower, nag-decide kami na pumunta sa park. Ganyan lang, ikot-ikot na kami para makapag-exercise din ako at the same time. Yes, Ashley, is it right? You getting bored? So yun. So bali, bukas mag-e-end na yung aming 5 days lockdown, which is good kasi wala na ulit atang cases. So yan, masunurin sila dito, kaya kapag may mga cases agad na dumadami, I mean example mga 5 ganyan, last time ni lockdown agad nila 5 days para matrace lahat. And yan, okay naman, nag-work siya kasi wala na tayong case. Yeah? What did you see there? What did you saw? A bird? So yun, so padalawang ikot na namin to ni Ashley. Exercise ako pag may time. Hindi ko kasi siya nilagyan ng sapatos. So kasi ang plano ko nga magwo-walk ako habang nakasakay siya sa stroller sa pram. So yun guys, so I'm just gonna do some walking and uuwi na rin kami mama ni Ashley kasi mamaya ay I'll put her para matulog na. So yeah, yan yung buong araw ni Ashley. So kaninang umaga nagpark kami and then natulog siya pala guys, kumain, then pinaliguan, and then heto kami ngayon, dito ulit kami sa park. And ito yung routine ni Ashley actually. So yeah, paikot-ikot natin siya para she will get tired, para easy siya to put in bed. So ayun, say okay guys, we'll see you again later and see you in my next vlog. Bye! Can you wave? Can you wave and say bye? Ashley, say bye. Hello, Ashley, come on. Bye guys. Guys, mukhang pagod na siya. Ayaw na niya makinig sa akin. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoy watching us and see you again on our next video. Bye!